Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhuri Bogan, Research Associate at Sandu Pharmaceutical Limited. Today, on the occasion of Dhanvantari Jayanti and 6th National Ayurveda Day, we have the honor of felicitating some very special Vaidyas who have contributed tremendously during the COVID pandemic in the field of treating patients sincerely and with all their heart. One of which is Vaidya Chandramohan Shetty sir, who has been practicing in Thane and Navi Mumbai for the past 25 years in his clinic Alchemy of Ayurveda. Sir, welcome and congratulations of today on the occasion of Dhanvantari Jayanti that you're receiving such a felicitation for your contribution. So first of all, I would like to know your experience or how your journey in Ayurveda started.
Yeah, it started, as you rightly said, about 25-26 years back. We started our practice in Navi Mumbai and then added one clinic in Thane. Since last 25 years, serving the people, and more importantly, I can proudly say that in this COVID pandemic, with 100% Ayurveda, we could treat thousands of patients and without admitting them. Obviously, those who came late, who had comorbidities, who were toxic, and obviously you have to follow the government rules also. So some had to be admitted. It is not that each and every patient was treated at home, but majority of them were treated at home. And 98%, 99% of them were absolutely fine within a very short span of time.
So sir, you said lifestyle disorders, right? So in lifestyle disorders or in your practice, is there specifically anything that you concentrate on or you treat? Or as we were discussing earlier, you mentioned your motto. So can you please explain more on that?
As we all know that there is a pandemic of lifestyle disorders which has come much before this corona.
Yeah.
So you have all this, if I can use modern terminology. So diabetes, hypertension, cardiac disorders, hypothyroidism, PCODs, migraines, depressions, obesity, the list is endless. So there is a pandemic of this disease. Why these diseases have come? Because we have forgotten the basic principles of Ayurveda to follow the Dinacharya, the Ratricharya, the Pathyas. This has become like people feel कि it is a curse. कि मुझे पथ्य करना पड़ेगा तो मेरा जीवन ही व्यर्थ हो गया, my life has no meaning. This is what people have made it out of that word pathya. But actually it is something which is going to save his life, which is going to give him very precious happy moments of life, nirogi avastha, what we call as. But they do not want to follow this. So what they have done, we have grabbed the Western culture. We have totally transformed from Indian culture to Western culture. We are awake at night, we are binging on foods, we are eating something which is not at all grown here and which is not at all satmya, what is called the term used in Ayurveda is satmya for that person. This is the reason that we have moved on to a healthy status into a pandemic of lifestyle disorders. So the beauty of Ayurveda is this, that you can identify the specific reason why this disease has come in this particular person, and you can point it out, and those sane individuals, I call them sane individuals because there are some people who will not understand even if you tell them something. Then there are some people who will understand what you are going to tell that person. So when they follow these changes, when they follow the Dinacharya of Ayurveda, 90% of their diseases, especially lifestyle disorders, vanish without much of medicines. Add to it the dosha samya avastha, we treat them with medicines for that short span of time, use panchakarma for shodhana, and then they are off medicines. So lifestyle disorders requires lifestyle changes. One who follows this will again come back to a normal or healthy status. One who doesn't want to follow this, he will have to be on drugs for lifetime.
So what we are saying is right now the Ayurvedic principles, fundamental principles that were decided or detailed thousands of years ago are still relevant. All we need to do is
Absolutely relevant. You see the latest researches, you see the latest awards for all the researchers. Those things are already mentioned in the text, but when they come via Western route, when they come via some other felicitations, some citations, then you say, हाँ ये तो हमारे आयुर्वेद में पहले से बोला गया है. It is like this, whatever your mother, your grandmother will tell you, you will say, mom is like that only, she will always tell this. But let it come from US or Europe, then you will say, हाँ मेरी माँ भी यही बोलती थी, लेकिन हमने कभी सुना नहीं. So Ayurveda is that, it is time tested, since 5000 years it has been tested. There is no better experiment than an experience. So when something which has been experienced for more than 5000 years, you know it is true. Now it depends on you whether you want to follow it or you don't want to do it. So time has already proven that whatever has been told in Ayurveda is perfect.
Yes.
This has been more so proved in this COVID pandemic.
Yes.
Now everyone, including individuals, have started taking some or the other form of Ayurveda medicines, and they are literally saved from this COVID pandemic.
True.
Because of that. Now this is a half knowledge. Google में देख के, यहाँ देख के, हमने अमल की खाया, हमने हरिद्रा का काढ़ा लिया, still it has helped. Now you imagine if you do it in a particular perfect way, go to a Vaidya, check yourself and follow what he says, then it will be doing some magic on your health.
So sir, even before the COVID pandemic and during the COVID pandemic, were you using any prescribing any of our Sandu products?
Yes, all of them.
Specifically, if you want to share your experience with a single product, like it had a good benefit or you could see the results were really good.
Now, then I'll be doing some injustice, because all the kadhas, the asava aristas of Sandu are excellent. So in my practice, I have been using all of them since so many years. So now if you tell me कि एक हीरोइन का नाम ले लो, तो वो नहीं हो पाएगा. तो हमारे इंडस्ट्री में लाखों है. वैसे ही आपके सांडू प्रोडक्ट्स में जो काढ़े आसव अरिस्टास है, वो सारे ही अच्छे हैं और ग्रंथोक्त पद्धति से बनाए हुए हैं, एंड द रिजल्ट्स आर एक्सेलेंट. एंड व्हेन यू हैव अ प्लेथोरा ऑफ पेशेंट्स कमिंग who have different prakrutis, who have different dosha avastha, you require to use n number of medicines. So that is what I have been doing since so many years. So all products are excellent, beautiful products.
Is there any product or Sandu product that you felt could be used in any other way on other signs and symptoms that is prescribed or not what is indicated in the product? Like for example, Bilajil, or say if it is a product of acidity, you can use it in some other disorder also.
Obviously, because our science is not a symptom based science. What we want to achieve is dosha samyata. So one product which can be used for a vata ailment, an ex vata ailment, it can be used for the same group of diseases in a different patients for a different ailment. So if Mahasudarshan Kadha can be used for Jwara, it is also very good in Amvata also. So what indications mentioned in the bottle is definitely going to be a limited one, because there is no big space there. So the bottles will mention the indication for which that product has been manufactured as a best product, but it will be very much useful in so many other diseases.
So still, if you could give one example from your personal experience of any one product.
I told you just now, Mahasudarshan Kadha.
Okay.
You recommend it for Jwaras. I get very good result in Amvata.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, also, if you want to give a message to the young aspirants who are still, just entered the field of Ayurveda or have just passed out, any message for them?
Yes. So, to the young aspirants or the newly joined members of the club, I would tell them, you are very lucky that you are entering into this field when the field is very much done for you. You have to just come and start the batting. 25 years back, this was not the story. People were not so favorable for Ayurveda. We had to, convince them, tell them, explain them, so many things. Now the battlefield is very much ready. People are very much for Ayurveda. You have to just have confidence in yourself and jump into it, and you can definitely score a century very easily. And I would also request to my other colleagues who, in spite of having their educational qualification in Ayurveda, but they do not have that confidence to practice Ayurveda, I can invite and I would urge them to please come and practice Ayurveda. You will do much better than what you are doing right now. Any guidance, help required, there are plethora of Vaidyas who are ready to offer you any guidance that is required.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experiences with us. Once again, congratulations and very happy Diwali.
Thank you so much and wish you the same.